Hello? Ah, okay. What's up guys, it's Andy. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video because I bought Yeezys the other week and they finally came in the mail, so I'm just gonna open them for you guys. I'll tell you guys like what size I got, what colorway I got, all that fun stuff. So here's the box. I bought them from StockX. I know you can buy them off of Goat, I think, and then I think there's a ton of other websites, but the only one that I like know, I guess, is StockX and Goat, and they were cheaper on StockX. Okay, so this is the box. It says the 350. I got them in a 7.5, and then they are the Yeshaya. I don't know how to say it, but yeah. Okay. It says this little thing. Thank you for buying on StockX. Okay, here they are. They have like the little StockX verified thing and then the barcode. They look like they'll fit, but I also don't know, so I guess we'll have to find out. And then here is this one. Okay, so the reason that I ordered them in a 7.5 is because I heard that you should go down a size from like your size. So I'm a size 8.5 in women's, but since Yeezys only come in men's sizes, I got them in a size 7.5. I heard that they also run small, so this might have been a mistake on my part, but we're gonna hope, we're gonna pray that they work. Oh my gosh, wait, they actually fit so well. Okay, so this is just what they look like. I love them so much. They have the gum bottom, which I love. They just look like this. So I was actually debating between these and the static ones, but I ended up going more for these. Just I kind of like the way they looked better. Okay, so this is what they look like on. I don't really know what to do with this part, but they look pretty cool. The laces are reflective. I didn't buy the reflective kind, but the laces are reflective, so I could insert a video of what they look like with the flash on, so you guys can see kind of what that looks like. Okay, so I just put these on and I walked around a little bit. I love them so much. I got a size down from what I usually wear in women, so I wear an 8.5. I got a 7.5, and they honestly fit perfectly. They are so comfortable. I was not really expecting that, but they are super comfortable. I cannot wait to wear these. I think they'll be good for just like leggings and a sweatshirt, or you can also like dress them up. I don't know. I'm just probably gonna have to see like what I like. So overall, I think that this was such a good purchase. I'm so happy with them. I love them so much. If you guys either like have a pair of Yeezys, want a pair of Yeezys, comment down below the ones that you want, all that stuff. I think this might be my new obsession. I don't know. I don't know, but I like them a lot. So I guess we'll just have to see how it goes. I feel a whole lot cooler now that I have these. Like I feel like I can just be like, hi, my name is Andy and I have Yeezys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more of me, I upload on Sundays and Wednesdays, so make sure to subscribe. If you liked this video, don't forget to like it, and comment down below if you have Yeezys, want Yeezys, if this video helped you in any way, anything of the sort. So I will see you guys next time.
Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear the